You didn't show up.
I know. I came to the dance.
You ripped my heart out!
That's not what I meant to do.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
Suffocating me.
You say they were never true, and the games you play, you would always win.
We need to break up.
But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touched your face. It burned when I cried, 'cause I heard it scream your name. Your name.
We're not meant to be together.
We are.